Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have Cardano ADA update. Let's see what it will do and why other altcoins are moving downwards along with Bitcoin while Cardano moves upwards against. Let's see here, guys. If you like the content, please help me with clicking the like button, subscribing, hitting the bell button, and of course share the video, guys. Thank you all for the support. I really mean it. Really means tons to me. And of course, guys, you can join our Telegram group chat where we discuss more and more about the crypto space. Right now, as you can see here, what I had done and what we are doing. Back in the day, guys, in my previous video, I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement starting from the 14th April down to the 23rd, and I told you that I was expecting Cardano to move upwards and I wanted to find some very important resistance levels. Okay, for example, here from the time we broke this resistance level right here, I knew that we were going upwards, and look how beautiful the 1.236, 1.382 and 1.618 are performing, because we found resistance in those Fibonacci retracement levels, then go back, then found resistance 1.80 and 1.95. So the targets that I told you guys worked perfectly, but perfectly fine. And now we are looking forward to next targets. So Cardano ADA looked absolutely fantastic, guys, and thank you for the support. We were absolutely right on our predictions and we want to see our next target because Cardano is moving upwards, guys. So let's see for the 4-hour frame what I like here. First of all, we recrossed this resistance line, and of course right now we have a very bullish cross between the blue line and our sideline line. So we want to see higher highs and higher lows in the 4-hour frame. We want to see higher highs eventually going like this, the blue line, and of course the MACD following. I don't care if we see a retracement, if we see a bearish cross between the signal line and the orange line. For example, I won't care if we go like this and the orange line goes above the blue line, as long as we are making higher lows, because we are on the 4-hour frame. That's what we care about for ADA Cardano. And of course we have the right volume, guys. The volume never declining, it is getting better and better here, and we are going upwards. Let's go to ADA against USDT in the 4-hour frame, and we need to see the RSI and the commodity channel index. Right now we were in an overbought situation, therefore we went a little bit downwards, but now we are having higher highs and higher lows for commodity channel index. We might go upwards again, we might even go a little bit downwards, then we will go upwards. It is nothing to worry about. Even if we see a minor correction here, nothing to worry about at all, guys, for ADA against USDT in the 4-hour frame. So right now let's see the RSI again. For the RSI, we are not in an overbought or any oversold situation, we don't have any risk, and of course what I like here is that we stopped seeing lower highs, we moved upwards, and therefore, guys, I believe that ADA will do absolutely fine. I will explain why in the next few minutes. Also, for the SSL channel, according to the SSL channel, this indicator that helps us finding buying opportunities and selling opportunities, the green line is above the red line, so therefore we are having a buying opportunity as well, according to the SSL channel. And you can see here, the moment we went beyond the minus 100 for the commodity channel index, this moment was an absolute perfect buying opportunity right here, guys. So things are going pretty good. Let's see the ADA against USDT in the daily frame, and in the daily frame, as you can see, we overextend here. We have an overbought situation according to the commodity channel index, but according to the RSI, we don't have. And of course, right here, we are inside the 1370. What we want to see is higher lows. We might eventually go downwards, but we will eventually go upwards, or this might be a low. You can see here, this might be a reversal head and shoulders pattern and going upwards. We will see about that for the RSI. For the commodity channel index, we have an overbought situation, but I think that we might go like this and then going upwards again. So we might go inside the gray zone, but we will go upwards. Do not worry. I will explain why we are at the top of the Bollinger bands. That's why we saw that we corrected a bit down. We might go upwards in the top of the Bollinger bands again. When we extend the top line of the Bollinger bands, you can see that we are going inside again the Bollinger bands, because we are having a very high risk. Okay, so right here for the MACD, I like the reason that we didn't see a bearish cross. Instead, we kept moving forward, we get moving upwards. The blue line was above the signal line. I can't wait to go to ADA against Bitcoin to tell you guys why we are having such a high pressure in the price, why we are going upwards, because ADA is outperforming Bitcoin. That's why we are going upwards, guys, because ADA in the short term and in the mid-long term, I will talk about it later, it is outperforming Bitcoin. That means we are having 1, 2, you can see here 3, 4, 5, we had a 6 here, then we went upwards, making the 1.618 a support level right now. So the 0.4036, so the next target is the 0.4041 for ADA against Bitcoin. That's where we are going for now. We had an overbought situation, that's why we might see it going a little bit downwards. But in overall, guys, we are very good. The commodity channel index, I expect them to go something like this, and then we're going upwards, making new higher highs, new higher lows for ADA against Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame. For the daily frame for the RSI, you can see here we are on a little bit risky here situation where we might see it going a little bit downwards, but in overall, guys, I think that we will be going upwards. We might see going even higher for ADA against Bitcoin. We will see how it will do, and of course for the daily frame, that's it. We might even reach some lower here levels, but in overall, guys, we are going upwards, and we will go surely to 0.4041. okay, for ADA against Bitcoin. Let's see the weekly frame for a bit. After this cross here, that's when we knew, guys, ADA against Bitcoin will be outperforming the Bitcoin. And you can see here, after so long that we were consolidating, we had this cross here, then we went down again, but now we have formed this, we are going upwards, we have formed this bullish pattern where we are making higher highs and higher lows. You can see here, guys, higher highs and higher lows. Eventually we might go even up to here, then we might retrace a bit, then we will be going upwards, because if you can see here, we are having so room to grow. According to historical data, we are not even at the top for ADA against Bitcoin, but ADA against Bitcoin is the reason we are outperforming Bitcoin, and of course we are growing in the USDT. So what is our next target for ADA? Price prediction, guys. As you know, I always want to be on point, guys, for you. I don't want to mess with you around. So the next price target, because our 1.95, we reached our 1.95 target I had in my previous video. The next one is around, I didn't want to do that, guys. Of course, the next possible target I think is around 20.7 to 20.11 USDT. That's where we are going, I believe, guys, for ADA against Tether US. So our next target is this, and if you want a more midterm target, then we might even go to 2.42 USDT. So right now we will be moving around this area right here, because as you can see, according to the Fibonacci extension, we will go there. We have made this the 0.618 as a support level. So right now what we are looking for is to break some important resistance level, the 1.95 again, in order to make 1.95 as a support level, and eventually when we make this support level, we can move forward to the 2.08 USDT. As you can see, our targets 1.85 and 1.95, guys, 1.80 around there and 1.95 were accomplished, and we had this target, we fell down and we went above the 1.95. so it is worked perfectly. I'm so proud, guys, and of course I hope that you followed my previous video on ADA and took some profits. Right now our next target is the 2.08. According to the commodity channel index, we are having an overbought situation, but we will be seeing higher lows, higher highs. We don't have to worry about that at all. The 50-day EMA is below the 20-day EMA. You can see here the yellow line is the EMA 20-day, and the 50-day EMA is our red line. When it is beyond, we are having a bullish moment. You can see here they have perfect distance in order to say that we will be going more upwards. So according to Fibonacci extension here, that I've drawn from this bottom to this top and to this swing low right here, we are having this target here 2.08 to 2.13 around there, guys. It is not exactly 2.08, it might be a little bit upwards. You can always see that we can't be absolutely correct about what it will hit. Here, of course, on 1.95, we were almost absolutely correct, guys, and I'm very, very excited about that. So right now, and of course, thank you for all the support, guys. It really means a lot to me. Before I continue, I wanted to say this. And of course, right now we are still going upwards. The 200 EMA is below the of course the price. We are looking fantastic. In the daily frame, the 20-day EMA is above the 50-day EMA, and we are gaining some strength. It is looking good for the RSI. We don't have an overbought situation for the commodity channel index. We have, but we will be making higher highs and higher lows. Eventually, if we go a little bit downwards, do not worry. The next target is the 2.08 to 2.10, 11, around there, guys, around this area right here, and we are looking forward to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension, 2.42 USDT. So that's the reason we are going upwards. The reason we are going upwards is because ADA is outperforming Bitcoin, unlike many other altcoins that don't outperform Bitcoin. And of course, that's why you see Aave, Matic, ADA going upwards, because they outperform Bitcoin, while others are staying behind because they aren't. So that's what we are seeing here for the short term. ADA is going upwards, guys, and of course that is our short term next price target, and the next one more of a midterm 2.42. I think that ADA will be going upwards. Not a financial advice though. However, guys, according to the charts here, I can't say otherwise. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and of course stay tuned for many more videos. Bye.